Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs. We'll be looking at how to add PAN number to an organization. Open blog.fresatechnologies.com. Here is the search button. Enter PAN number. Click search. Here are the search results. Scroll down. Select how to add PAN number to an organization. Here is the step-by-step procedure with the images. Open an organization which you want to add PAN number. Select the reference. Select PAN number as a reference type and enter the PAN number. Click save. Then the PAN number will be added to an organization. This is the process. Let's see this in Fresa application. Open master module. Select organization menu. Enter the organization name. Click submit. Click edit button. Select references. Select the reference type as PAN number. Enter the PAN number. Click save. The PAN number has been added successfully. This is how to add PAN number to an organization. Thanks for watching.